What's up, guys? It's Michael from Faith Family Outdoors. It's gun season here in West Virginia, and we're gonna do some gun hunting this season, rifle hunting here at my uncle's farm. So we're gonna go up here and get set up and try to kill us a deer. We'll be back here in a little bit. Let's get set up here and we'll be back. All right, we're set up now. We'll go ahead. Put up a shell in the chamber. We're set up. In a pretty good spot. We're set up at my uncle's farm, where we've been hunting. We have a stand. Our stand's just right there, and we're just up above it. One tree above it. And I'm hoping the big buck that we've had in here shows his face this evening. But I don't know. I hope he does. I hope another buck comes in. But we got a hillside right in front of us. It slopes down. I got the bottom here. And the deer have been coming out of the bottom down there. The other night I was in here, and they had come in off the bottom and gone around and came up behind me on the side of me. So hopefully here around dark and toward evening, when it gets dark, the deer start to stir. But there's some other hunters near us, so I'm trying to stay put right here for now. And go from there. stay till we're gonna move and get set at a different angle. Hey guys. What we've decided to do here is do something called glass and stalk, a steel honey, or what I like to call it is run and gun. I've not gotten a chance to quite scout out the area for any buck rubs and scrapes and some fresh trails. So that's what we're gonna do now. We walked from the stand and now we're way beyond our stand, and I'm gonna try to do some scouting and walk around up on this big long ridge up here behind me, and I'm gonna try to see if we can jump up some deer or look for some scrapes and some rubs, because I'm not been able to quite scout out the area. So we'll keep on walking this way and see if we can jump up some stuff. Up there, there's a pasture field that runs through here, and does could go in there and eat and feed. Kind of growed up along this ridge. We're gonna try to get around this all this growed up stuff, try to get to the top, try to find a good spot for us to sit down for the rest of the evening and just wait. I'm tired, as you can tell. I hope everyone out there's had a good rifle season so far. I mean, this is the second day. This is Tuesday evening. It opened yesterday. I was in here Saturday, checked the camera, and the big buck that we're after was in here. It's just gonna be a matter of being at the right place at the right time, and hopefully this evening and this week we are at the right place at the right time. So we're gonna head on up this ridge, try to find some spot to sit on. Okay, all right. We just pushed deer. I don't know what they were. I was able to see one's tail, and it took off up his heel. I don't want to push over. So that's what I'm going to have to do. I hear him. There's deer right here in the area. be able to get up on the field, on that edge, and possibly get a shot. I don't know what they were, but we're in a good spot. I'd figure the deer would be in this area. And back behind me, here's several good buck crops. There's a buck crop there. And several good buck crops down below me here, down below the hill. But the deer went up the hill. They went up on this ridge. I think I'm coming down this way. I hear a few of them. I might try to get back up on this backside. It might be a long ridge, I might be able to see, but it's growed up really, really bad. But I still hear them walking, but I don't know if there's a buck with them. Okay, get set up. Get out of the open here. Try to sit down, that way I can get on out of here. There's a good rub, real good rub right there. And they're all down this line here, so several of them up here. We jumped them deer and they went up toward that way. I might try to get set up down over here and see if they come back off the hillside or any deer come up the hill. Well, so far, really, really good sign. Right there's a fresh scrape. I mean, you can see the deer tracks all in it. And the scrape and the rubs, they're all right here in the line. And if you can see, over there is like a hillside. I'm gonna try to get up on it, up a little higher, and just try to sit there for the rest of the evening, just sit and wait. I think the deer that I've spooked, they're already gone. So I don't want to actually push him anymore. I'm just gonna try to get to sit down, and maybe one of these bucks will come our way tonight. If not tonight, I'm starting to get them narrowed down for the rest of the week. So we'll try to get over here and get set up. There's a nice deer trail that I'm on. It'd be my luck, a big buck roll gray right now, and I got the camera, so I'm going to drop it. So if somehow I drop the camera, you hear a gunshot will go off, it's probably because a deer ran all the way. Scrape right here. Small one, but it's starting. I definitely believe we're in a good spot. So we get up here and get set up. Oh, really good. Bad thing about this place where I'm at right now, there's only so many places where we can actually shoot. Pursuit series. We're going to be flashing back to some different hunts later on with me and the guy, the creator from Shrewsbury Outdoors, Anthony Shrewsbury. We're all going to be combining our videos for one long series. I'm on the road now, which is in bad shape. As you can see, all the stuff is on it. We got deer, guys, we got deer. Yep, right there, there's deer, there's deer. There's deer, there's deer. I don't know what it is yet. I can see the body of it. It's a buck, it's a buck, it's a buck. I think it is. Alright guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you down. I'm going to start filming. I'll keep you updated. Well, we finally set up watching the bottom in a hill. A hillside. I mean, I believe this is going to be a good spot to hunt, for sure. Especially by looking at the sign and the scrapes we have behind us. And by the way, the update, it was deer. It was an old doe. And she walked upon us after we stopped filming. She took off running. And just about 5 minutes ago, 2 does walked this bottom here. So we're getting some action, just not the right kind of action. So this is where patience comes in. Just be patient and try to sit up the right way. So we're just going to sit here for a little bit longer and head on out of here. Try it again later. That's about all we can do tonight. I wanted to do more scouting than hunting. Really, I was going to hunt too, but I wanted to definitely wanted to find out what kind of sign we had in here. So everything looks good, and we'll definitely be back in here this week. I'll keep you updated here right before we leave. Y'all stay tuned. Well, hey guys. Well, our first hunt didn't go according to plan. I mean, we did get that. We was able to see a few things. And definitely gonna keep coming back. It happens. You have hunts like this. You probably can't see me, but you have hunts like this where you just enjoy getting out in the woods and enjoying just being in the woods and hunting. And the other day you didn't get anything, but see, the memory of the hunt is in the pursuit. Guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.